Well, in this video I'm going to talk about this profile. Well, we have some button here, profile, but it doesn't work. Okay, so in the account view we have profile. So update view, the profile will be updated, and model is the model will be user. Okay, I have here the user or not. Well, let me import the user from Django .contrib dot user. Let me see either the user is correct or not. Here we have imported here, so the model will be here. Okay, I've missed the models here. Okay, we have the user. Okay, the model is the user, and template name will be like registration and profile.html. Okay, we have something else as well, like fields. Which fields we have here? Like we have the username, we have email, we have the first underscore name and last underscore name. Okay, in the next videos, not in the next, but next videos will be like I will have the profile picture and everything else. Like we have some special fields as well, so we can add those things as well. Okay, I want to have this URL, and the URL I have seen here, like the URL will be like from here. I want to have URL, so I want to add it here as a profile, and as profile. Okay, I want to make this a tuple, so let me clean out this. And closing the tuple. Okay, profile, and here again I want to have the profile. Okay, so it looks nice, but remember one thing, just for now I keep this as the primary key of the user. Later on I'll change everything here. Okay, well, I want to create this template as well, like profile.html. So this will be from article update and all that. Want to copy and paste everything here, so everything will be the same. To remove this, and I don't need, instead of title I want to have username. Instead of Slack it will be the email. So you don't need this because it is 12 column. Instead of this will be first underscore name, and I want to clean out this. This will be last underscore name. So I have this condition in everything. Let me clean this. Okay, instead of submit I want to say update profile. Actually, well, it looks well. Let me run this, and here it will be profile, and the primary key of this user is 1, I think. I'm not sure even. Okay, this is admin. The email is here, the name, first name, last name. Let me check. New admin. let me update this. Okay. When I update, it says that we have seen this error before as well. So it says that no URL to redirect to, either provide a URL or define a get absolute URL. Well, I do the same thing. It tells that you do not have any URL. Well, after success, you do not have any URL where it should be there. Okay, I'll assign something here for this. Okay, the success URL will be reverse lazy, and I use reverse lazy account and, well, profile. No need to worry. When I refresh this, reverse for profile with no argument found. Well, you know that why I have these things. Okay, this is, I talked about this before, that we had integer like something. Let me comment out this, and for now I just check this without, well, updating this page. Okay, let me see one more thing, like second user we have, like Naved. Okay, we have everything. Okay, let me see the first user. For example, here I want to see this, and I log out. Okay, and I check this as, well, active user, and we have here the profile and 2. Okay, we have everything here, but let me see one more thing. So this is the user as active user, not a super user. I want to check the super user. Oh, that's not good. That's very, very bad. So it can see everything. How can we, well, restrict this? How can we, well, find some ways that it should not have that access? That's why we see here the URL. Okay, this URL we have to change. So before that, let me see one more thing here. Well, I have a function. I have a function that, well, there is a function which will restrict that thing. It means that whichever user is logged in, it should have the access to that user, not other thing. Okay, let me have that get object. Okay, which object? Which the object or the user is, well, logged in. Okay, I want to return, well, the user and objects, and get, well, pk is like self dot request dot user dot pk. Okay, it will take automatically the pk. Okay, now there is no need to have like this part. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, now without typing any primary key, I just enter this profile. Well, I can see the name and everything. Now I want to redirect this, or I want to have the reverse lazy. I change Ahmad Naved. Okay, when I refresh, see here the name is changed. Okay, when I see Ahmad. Okay, when I update this, so you can see everything. Okay, one more thing, let me tell you. I want to update here as well. Okay, it is updated, but it is very bad that an active user can change its username, an active user can change its email address. So these two inputs should be locked when there is active user. Well, if super user can change everything, can have everything. So this is the profile, and let me update this button as well. In the sidebar, we have the profile. Okay, this is profile. Here I want to have like URL, and in the URL account. Let me clean out this.